Uma muthenya wa muthia kuri arutwo a kirathi gia form 4 makirekereria kigeranio gia KCSE kiria kiambiriirie ciumia hituku. Umuthi minista wa githomo George Magoha egucerete thukuru-ini wa anake wa Nairobi kuria ageire na kanya ga kwaraniria na arutwo aria marekereirie kigeranio kiao rucini rwa umuthi. Magoha augite mihang'o ino irekereire o wega thengia ya gukorwo kuri andu maikitio ngono makigeria gukungia wara hindi ya kigeranio giki, oho thimu itanyihiire 50 ikinyitikana na arutwo hindi ya kigeranio.
In all, I can confidently announce, ladies and gentlemen, to the country that none of the 2020 KCSE examination papers leaked, save for those few unethical, bold moves that we dealt with.
Mihang'o ya kumaka igeranio ici itanyitwo kwambiriria na ihenya o ta uria kwahoteka mbere ya thukuru gucokereria ihinda-ini ria ciumia 3 ciukite.
So we have between now and the 10th of May to complete the marking process. It is being done in 34 centers. For example, this school used to have 1,000 examiners. This year it has only 500.
Ihinda-ini riu Magoha ni arutite mukaana kuri turianime aria mambiriirie gukungiria aciari wara makimerira mieke ya ciana iria iraingira kirathi gia form 1 thiini wa thukuru cia ngathi cia iguru.
And let me warn further that there are already people collecting money. A good example is a gentleman who collected 315,000 odd, promising a child that I will take you to Alliance High School. How are you going to take the child there? So all the people in the education sector have to be extremely careful.
Mihang'o ya gucagura arutwo a kirathi gia form 1 itanyitwo kwambiriria tariki 28 mweri wa gatano. Thirikari igititirithia waragania kuringana na marks iria murutwo anyitite na gutire murutwo o wothe ugutigirirwo.
We want a system that will pick the best brains from Kiandutu slums in Thika and take them to Alliance Girls High School. They don't need to and they don't have to have come from a private school or from Professor Magoha's family.
Mieke girikeda iria heanitwo ni thirikari ya guteithiriria arutwo aria matehotete igukorwo ikiheanwo thutha wa aria maikiti hoya gukorwo magithurimo.
Those who are bombarding me with requests, stop wasting my time. My gold standard is that child in Mukuru Kwanjenga, like I moved one from the other time, who has 430 marks and is required to go to Kenya High School. We shall make sure the child goes there and is given a scholarship, whether anybody likes it or not. That's what the president wants us to do.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.